I think the main reason was we wanted to go somewhere where it's warmer than Sweden. Right now it's very, very cold and we have a lot of snow.
Yeah.
And we wanted to come to some sunshine, but also we hear it's very good snorkeling,
Yeah.
and she wants to try scuba diving as well.
Yeah, I really want to go scuba diving, so I think it's gonna be great here.
Yeah. And we have some friends actually that we will be meeting in what was
Coron,
it? Coron, actually, that going, and one of them is going to stay for 3 months and do like an advanced diving certificate. So he recommended diving here as well for
Yeah.
us.
What your first impression of Cebu and the Filipino people?
You
I
want-
think I think it's great. I'm shocked that people are so good at English here.
Yeah.
It really helps. People are very friendly. I feel very very safe.
True.
The food looks amazing. I love it.
Thank you so much.
Very good first impressions.
Yeah.
Yes.
And my third question is, how does Cebu compare to other countries or places you're visiting already?
Well, I think it reminds of different parts of Southeast Asia where we have been. We have been to Bali, we've been to Malaysia, and it's a similar kind of atmosphere, but still different, of course. I think so far the people are a bit more outgoing and nicer, for example, but it's very similar, like in weather and how maybe traffic works, for
Yeah.
example. We noticed
Yeah.
that's the big difference maybe from home is traffic more chaotic, but you get used to it after a while as well.
Yeah, but it's more calm and safe here compared to like some places in Malaysia. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
Absolutely.
you for the answer.
Yeah.
Can you recommend also a Swedish food that, as a Filipino, you we're going to try? We need to try it going to Sweden. Can you recommend one?
Ooh.
Any food that is very delicious? When you come
Yeah, that's a good question. What would you recommend?
I think actually Swedish meatballs, they are as good as people say.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Swedish meatballs. It's what they have in IKEA, for example, too.
Yeah.
But don't try the IKEA ones; they're not so good.
No.
Go maybe to a smaller shop that does them locally. It's usually way better.
Yeah.
Swedish meatballs with mashed potatoes, peas, and sauce too.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I hope I can visit there.
I hope so too.
Or there's,
Something for your channel to show people here.
Or last two question.
Mhm.
If you describe Cebu or Philippines vacation in one word, what would it be and why?
I maybe go with openness or outgoing for the people, for being open and nice and welcoming. Welcoming is maybe the word I choose.
Yeah, that's a good answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you rate Philippines, 10 is the highest. What would it be and why?
If we were to,
Great.
If you rate Philippines, 10 is the highest.
oh,
What
okay.
would it be and why?
Well, it's still difficult since
Yeah, yeah.
it's so early. I
Since you're just arrived, right?
yeah.
It's okay.
I'll give it an 8 just based
Yeah.
on what we've seen now, but I'm quite sure it will increase once we get to see like countryside and nature and things like that. That's what we're looking most forward to, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the same. It's an 8 because it's you really get to experience Asia. It's very different from Sweden, but still it's accessible and safe, and people are very friendly here.
Okay,
So yeah, thank you.
Can we have one more?
Yes, go.
The
Yeah,
last one.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Any message to the tourists planning to visit the Philippines?
Mhm.
Yeah.
You can give a tip or advice.
Oh, well, make sure to have like your visa forms filled out like in advance so you don't run into trouble when you get here. It's probably not that difficult if you do forget, but it's usually better to be prepared and read up on where you're going. Basically, be prepared for what's different and make sure to get maybe cultural customs a bit more so you don't get surprised in any way. It's always good to prepare regardless of where you go, I think. I think that's a good one.
Yeah, I also think it's very good, as you said, using the services, using Grab, so to help plan your trip. It helps a lot.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much, guys.
Yeah.
And welcome to Cebu and Philippines. Enjoy your vacation and thank you for letting me do pictures on the YouTube channel.
Thank
No
you.
worries. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's been